smallest number of squares to create a shape that has rotational symmetries of 3. Rotational symmetries is when you rotate it like 90 degrees, and then this one says orders of 2, so 2 times, and then whether if it's gonna be the same shapes or not. So if we don't add any square now, it's not gonna be the same. But if we add this one here, we're gonna add it like this. So if we rotate it once from this point, this one, from this point, if we're gonna have to rotate it, it's gonna be this shapes, and then we're gonna have to go this side 2, and then 2, and then another 2. Then we'll have 4 box, and the last over here. And then if we rotate it again, it's gonna come back to this. And so that's ordered of symmetries, orders of 2. And then it has no line of symmetries. So line symmetry is when you have line that when you fold it, it's gonna be the same. So if we look here, if we fold it like this one will stay here, so it's not gonna be the same. And if we divide it this side, this one stays here, this one stays here, like this one over here. This one, this box will come here, and this one will come here, so it doesn't stay the same. So that's a pretty interesting one. But this one, I think most of the time you would take like a whole lot of minutes there. So let's have to number 14. Eva and Lily each have some flowers. The numbers of flower that Eva has represented by letter A. Letter A. Number of flower. The numbers of flowers that Lily has is represented by the letter B. Eva has more flowers than Lily. They have 20 flowers together. So the possible ones, the correct pairs. So 1, A should have more than B. 2, they must be 20. They must all be 20. So this one, A has more than B, and 17 plus 3 is 20, so it's correct. And then A has more than B for number 2, but both of these add together, it's more than 20. It's 26. And this one, A is more than B, but if we plus them together, it's gonna be 20. Yeah, this one is okay, but I'm not sure about like how people have -4 flowers, but yeah, it's possible. But I'm not sure for this one if it will be possible. I don't know if it adds something else. Yep, no, it doesn't include -4. Maybe it's because my calculating is wrong, something like that. But I'm not sure. But it said that it doesn't. This one is not. It's not. It's not accepted. So maybe you guys. Maybe everybody else have to find another videos about adding multiplication with this negative number, because I'm not really good in these negative numbers also. So number 4, we have 11. It has more than B. A has more than B, and both of these plus together is 20, so it's a check. This one, both of them is 20, but A has less than B, so it's not count. Write the calculation in order of the size of the answer, starting with the smallest. So this one we're going to use the technique of what my teacher. So 123 times 70s and 123 times 120 1234 times 7. So with this one, how do we check if which one is bigger? If this one times by 7, we cut it off the 0 and then we add 0 here. Now you'll see that this has 4, this has 0, this one is definitely bigger, this one is smaller. So this one is bigger, this one is smaller. And then this 2 0 and then 0 0. This one has the smallest, so smallest would be 1000. I get confused because of my writing. So it's gonna be 12 times 700, and then 123 times 7 times 70s, and then 1234 times 7. That's gonna be answer for this one. Number 16. Hassan draws a straight line joining the point 1/2 and 1 2 and 9 2. Lines on the point that are on his line. So I drew with diagrams over here. So on this dotted line, if we continue the dot, we will have from x is from 1 to 9 and y is from 0 to 2 and x from 0 to 9. So here 1 2 is over here, 1 2, and then 9 2 is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Yeah, this is 9. Over here it's 9. Wait, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. I'm sorry, 9. So this would be 9 2 over here, and the one that past 9 2 is gonna be all in this line. So 7 2, it's gonna be over here, so it passed 7 2. This is 9 2. 2 2 is also in. Is 2. Sorry. 2 2 is this one. 8 2 is over here also. While 2 6 is only one that's not here. So I'm gonna have to. Oops, that's not in. It's gonna be 7 2 2 2 and 8 2. So like the easiest way is like to just look at the number at the ends and make sure that it's 2, and then you can check the number that is in front if it's less than 1 or more than 9 or not, and then you will find the answer. So number 17. Sophia start at 42 and count backwards in 7. Mia start at 10 and count forward in 9. So write the number they both say. So this one we just have to count. So if Mia goes backwards in 7, we're gonna have to write 52, and then minus 7 is gonna be 45. Another 7 is gonna be another 7 minus 7 is gonna be 38. Another 7 is gonna be 31. Another 7 is gonna be 26. Wait, is it? Wait, let me think for it. I'm sorry, it's 24. Another 7, it's gonna be 17, and then another 7 is 10. Another 7 is 3, and then yeah, I think it's gonna be end over here, and then now it's gonna be time for -10, and then plus 9, it's gonna be -1, plus 9 again, it's gonna be 8. Maybe this one has -1, I'm not sure. Nope, it doesn't. In my calculation, it does. So 8 and then plus 9 again. So it's gonna be 17. So here you got 1 already. 17. So the answer would be 17 for this question. And then we have to continue in number 18. So rotate the triangle 90 degrees anti-clockwise about point A. So this is point A, and then we have to rotate it 90 degrees but anti-clockwise. So I'm not sure how it's gonna work, but for this one we're gonna have to ask for tracing paper, which you can ask for tracing paper and then move it how it's supposed to be. So let's give this question and then go straight to question 19. Calculate 32723 plus 60 60 out of 1,000. So 60 out of 1,000 is 8,000. So it's gonna be 60 out of 1,000. So this is gonna be tenth, 100,000. So it's gonna be 60 over here. So 32.723 plus and then 0.006, and then it's gonna be 639,027.23. Well, here I did a mistake a little bit. So delete all of this and start all over again. It's like really big mistake. So it should be 60 over here, not 6 over here. So it's gonna be 3. 6 plus 2 is 8. 7.23. 0. If you want to add, it's fine. So the answer here would be 32.783. Now we continue. Here is a diagram of a kite. Take all of the correct statement. This kite can be made with 2 identical scalene triangles. So basically, scalene's triangle is no sides are same. No sides are same, including angles also. And an identical is same. Just to make sure, this is the keyword. Equilateral is all sides are the same. Two different isosceles. This one is 2 sides are same is the meaning of isosceles triangles, and then equilateral is the same. This one, both of them, is the same. It's the same thing. So here, for the identical one, we have to. If it would be identical, we have to find the line of symmetries. So for this one, we only have one, which is cut like this. So if you see, they're both scalene because none of these sides are same. Here, like for this one, it's none of these sides are same, so scalene, and it can be identical equilaterals now. So for this one, we have to just cut it like this, and you see this two same, this two same, isosceles for sure. Remember, isosceles, 2 sides are same. Don't forget this. It's pretty needed. Noted all of the type of triangles. It's really useful. Given examples of a data collection, this that is best represented by a line graph. So this one you have to think by yourself. I'm not gonna say anything about this question because I did some past paper and I mostly fail on this type of question. I'm terrible at this. So we're not gonna do that. I'm so sorry about who is watching this, but we have to skip this one. So number 22, Naomi's thinks of a number. The number rounds up when rounded to the nearest 10. The number rounds down when rounded to the nearest whole number. So this one, oops. So the number so this number should be less than 5 because if it's 5 or more, it would round up, but if it's 4 or less, it will round down. So this one, it says that the whole number is round down, so this one should be less than 4. So I'm gonna like write 2, and then this one is gonna be 7. Anything would be fine from 4 to 2 for this number. It could be 0 also, and for this number it's gonna be 5 to 9. Anything is fine. Anything, like absolutely anything. So this one, here's a part of a sequence. The sequence is made by subtracting a constant amount of previous term. Write the 8th term, show your working. So here, the second term, if you see it move backward 1, 2, 3, and 4. So well, I did it. It's pretty easy. So it's going down by 3. So from 1/6 to 1/3, I mean from 1.6 to 1.3, and then 1, and then 0.7. I forgot that, and then minus 3 will be 0.4, and then we're gonna keep doing that till we get the answer. So it's gonna be 0.1, and then another 0.3. So it's gonna be 1, it's gonna be 0, so it's gonna be negative 0.2. That's gonna be the answer. This one you have to show your working also. Don't forget, because it say here show your working, and it's 2 mark. So let's continue. Number 24. Yuri used a computer to model roll of 2 dice. Yuri used a computer to model the roll of 2 dice 1,000 times. Oh wow, that's a whole lot. He recorded the result when the computer program rolls a 6 on either dice. Here is his result. Number on one dice, 6. Number on other dice. And the frequency. So Yuri's adding numbers on his 2 dice. Complete the sentence. When Yuri rolled a 6, the total on the dice that occurs least often is 12. And then Yuri used this data to predict the likelihood of rolling a 1 on both dice, roaring around the word that correctly describes this. The answer is unlikely. Number 25. Here is a drawing of a shape on isometric paper. The shape is made of 7 cubes joined together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Angelique draw another shape. She joins the 2 shapes to make the smaller cuboids that she can, the smallest cuboid that she can. So draw another shape. She joins the two shape. So here, the smallest one she could do, it's gonna be 3 times 3. So this one is 1, and then 2, and then 3, and then 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we need 20 in total. So this is how to draw. I'm so sorry about that. I misread the whole thing. It's a cuboid. So we could just add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's all the shape you could. So we just have to draw so 1, 2, 1, 2, that's 1 cube. And then this one like this, and then we draw this one, and then this one, this and this. We'll get 1, 2, 3, 4. Continue this like this, and then this one down here, and then add this one together. And then now we need our blocks here, 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 here. Now it would fit and make a cuboid. And our ways, you just draw this shape and this shape combined together already, and we'll get a cuboid. So both ways, it's fine. Let's continue. It's almost done, and we have only a few more questions left. Number 26. Chen's 4-digit cards. Chen has 4-digit cards. He say all the number I could make with my 4 cards are 4-digit numbers that are divisible by 6. Write 4 numbers that Chen could have on his cards. So basically, Chen has 4-digit cards. So it's 4-digit. He says that all the numbers I could make with my 4-digit number card is divisible by 6. So we're gonna check the divisibility rules of 6. So it will be 2, divisible by 2, and divisible by 3. By 2 is like even number, and then by 3 it's the sum divisible by 3. By 3. So for this one, this one is like brain eater. This type of question I mostly failed, but for this one I used like 30 minutes and I calculated already. So the answer would be, so I calculated already, and I found out that it has all to be even number, and the sum of it is divisible by 4. So for example, we wanna do 4, 2, 2, 4. It's all even number, and 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 12, and that's divisible by 3. So this question is kind of easy. Rajiv and Kailash each shows a set of 3 prime numbers. The total of each set of number is 30. Write 3 numbers that Rajiv could choose. So the number he could choose is 2, 5, and 23. Or 2, 11, and 17. Like this for number 17, and the number B, you have to explained question. And then for number 28, here are 6-digit cards. Use a digit card to write the calculation with the largest even answer. So it has to be even and it has to be largest. So kind of hard calculation, but yeah. So it would be 8, 6, 7, 1, 3, 5, and that's the answer to the last question. Thank you for watching. Wish you best luck on Checkpoint. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.